Therapy in session, therapy in session, therapy in session. We back out on the water, baby. I got my special guest, He showed up to get some fish with his dad. And guess what? He got some cool gear on. Man, tell them people what kind of gear you got on, brother.
WindRider gear on.
You said who?
WindRider.
WindRider?
WindRider.
They sent you stuff?
Yes, sir. They sent me and you.
And me?
Yes, sir.
Wow, they sent both of us stuff. So if they sending that stuff, that means something.
We're part of Pro Staff.
We what?
Pro Staff.
So what my son is saying is, WindRider is now on our team. So we are on their team, they're on our team. So that makes us partners. So if we're partners, that means we're Pro Staff. So it's official. My son and I are official WindRider Pro Staff, baby. That's why we got all this cool gear on. Nice hats, man. Comfortable hats, comfortable shirts.
Gator.
And look, what's built in, brother?
Gator, man.
Oh my God, they got the built-in gator.
And the hoodie, man.
And got the built-in hoodie on that joker, bro. That's pretty cool, man. So that should keep you protected in the sun, right?
And the material is very comfortable, man.
Nice. You hear my boy? WindRider. He said your stuff is very comfortable.
Not wearing a shirt, that's how comfortable it is.
Man. We're finally hitting the big leagues, brother.
The big leagues are calling.
They are calling. They're emailing, they're calling, and they want to do some business, brother. What you think?
I think that's a pretty good idea, man.
Man, I think so, dog. I think we're doing pretty good. The channel's doing great. Why not reach out to the bros? It's like it's a no-brainer.
It's a help me help you situation.
Absolutely. So we're gonna get on some fish, y'all. So continue watching and watch us slay them. Therapy in session. Let's go.
Not getting these off plastic?
Nope. Okay. The ones you're using, you can put it right in that little cup.
Let's put all this back. I'm opening this.
Big boy, he got off too. I seen him come up and tag. I know you said that. Got me one. Nice one too.
Can't be true, right?
Oh, this is like a bass. This gotta be a bass. Oh, he's huge. This gotta be a bass or a catfish. Yo, shout out to WindRider.com. Go put in my promo code TNS10. WindRider.com, baby. Promo code TNS10 for 10% off your purchase. WindRider.com, baby. They catch them and keep you cool. Yes, sir. Nice catch. Nice catch. Nice catch. WindRider.com, baby. Yes, sir. We got a nice old cat. First fish of the boat, baby. My son is down one. I'm gonna put him in the box before he start pooping everywhere.
Okay.
Let's go. Turn the live well on.
Turn off.
Turn it on. Look at the live so. You feel like a live so coming.
Yeah. But the thing is though, it doesn't look like it's a brush pile.
Oh, that's a brush pile right there. Wait, one coming right down. Got it too. Got it. Ooh! This is nice crappie.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Got one. Finally got one.
Just give me a shower, huh?
Yep. Get your rod out of my camera view. Finally got me one. WindRider. Thank you. Finally got one. Nice slab. Finally got one. Finally got one. Y'all hang out in there. Oh, got this a big one. Oh, this a good one. Oh, stay on, stay on, stay on. Oh, flip. Oh, he in. He in. He in. He in. He in. I managed to get him. We're gonna throw him back, but I did manage to get him, baby. I did manage to get him.
You threw him back?
Yep. Managed to get him. Got one. Go left. Ooh, we got a nice bluegill. Come down with it. We got a nice bluegill. Make sure you show the camera.
Shout out WindRider. Little fish. We don't keep the tiny ones. The tiny ones got the smallest mouth. See ya.
And I got in the damn bush. Therapy in session, therapy in session, therapy in session. We had a good day out on the water. We caught a few fish. It was a struggle. Let me tell you, at least we got the skunk off the boat. How many you catch?
I caught two.
He caught two. I think I caught maybe three. Two keepers. I threw one back. I think that's how it was. But overall, we had a good day. We hung out with each other. We spent some time. I want to give a special shout out to WindRider for sending us some gear. We're pro staff. We're WindRider Pro Staff, my son and I. So appreciate them for looking out and supporting us, sending us some gear and supporting us on our journey. The gear, man, what do you think?
This kept me cool. It kept me dry, especially on the drive, and overall a great product. Honestly.
Yeah, I totally agree. Great product, man. Kept us cool. It was hot out here today. We was able to put on our gator and our hood to keep us out the sun. Overall, they did good. Promo code TNS10. That's 10% off at your at the checkout for us. That's Therapy in Session 10. Like I said, WindRider. We're glad we on the team, baby. We appreciate you, and we won't let you down.
Yes,
Therapy in Session. We out, baby.